Exciting news is buzzing in the social media world as Mark Zuckerberg gears up to launch his highly anticipated app, Threads. This app is making waves as it's being touted as a potential alternative to Twitter, especially considering the recent issues the platform has faced under Elon Musk's leadership. In fact, the release of Threads has been expedited to capitalize on the chaos at Twitter HQ. Celebrities like Shakira and Lando Norris have already hopped on the early access train, and fans are eagerly counting down to its official launch. But what exactly is Threads and why is it being called the Twitter killer? Let's dive into all the details before its release. Meta Platforms is set to launch Threads, a highly anticipated text-based conversation app. This new platform is designed to seamlessly integrate with Instagram, giving users the ability to follow accounts they're already interested in on the popular photo-sharing platform. But Threads is more than just a companion app to Instagram. It aims to provide a unique space for users to engage in conversations, share their opinions, and connect with like-minded individuals. Threads adopts a thread-like format, reminiscent of Twitter's popular feature, allowing users to create posts and initiate discussions on various topics. Whether you're passionate about fashion, technology, sports, or any other subject, Threads offers you a platform to express your thoughts and connect with others who share your interests. What sets Threads apart is its emphasis on meaningful conversations. It's not just about posting pictures or sharing random updates. Threads encourages users to dive deeper, explore different perspectives, and engage in thoughtful exchanges. In a world where social media can sometimes feel shallow and superficial, Threads aims to provide a more enriching and fulfilling experience. And the best part is, Threads is accessible to a wide audience. It will be available in 31 different languages, including English, traditional Chinese, Russian, and Spanish, making it a truly global platform. Whether you're in Europe, Asia, or anywhere else around the world, you can join the Threads community and connect with people from diverse backgrounds. Another notable aspect is the age inclusivity of Threads. It can be downloaded by anyone aged 12 and over, ensuring that younger users can also participate in meaningful conversations in a safe and controlled environment. So, if you're excited about exploring new connections, engaging in vibrant discussions, and discovering like-minded individuals, Threads might just be the app for you. It's time to broaden your social media horizons and experience a different kind of conversation. To get your hands on Threads, head over to the App Store and search for Threads. Make sure you have an iPhone running on iOS 14.0 or a more recent version. Unfortunately, at the moment, Threads is not available for Android users in the UK or the US. Now, let's talk about the download. If you're an iPhone user running on iOS 14.0 or a more recent version, you can pre-order Threads on Apple's App Store. And here's an interesting Easter egg. If you type Threads or Thread into the Instagram search bar, a small pink ticket will appear, revealing a countdown animation with the Threads logo. However, it's important to note that Threads is currently not available for Android users in the UK or the US, despite being listed on the Google Play Store in other European countries. We're still waiting for clarification on this from Google. The best part: Threads is absolutely free to download. However, we don't have information yet on whether there will be any additional costs associated with using the app. Meta recently launched a paid-for verification service on Instagram and Facebook, so it's possible that Threads may incorporate similar features in the future. Now, we want to delve deeper into a crucial topic that many of you may have concerns about: your data. It's important to be aware that Threads will collect various types of data from its users. This includes your location, browser history, financial information, purchase history, and even health data. Additionally, the app will collect identifiers, sensitive information, and personal contact data. Creators of Threads will also have access to monitor your content, app usage, and diagnostics. Now, we understand that privacy is a major concern for many of us, and you may be wondering how Threads will utilize this data. Well, it's worth noting that how your data is utilized can vary depending on your age and how you use the app's features. While data collection is a common practice among social media platforms, it's essential to be informed about what information is being gathered and how it will be used. Make sure to review the app's privacy policy and terms of service to have a clear understanding of how your data will be handled. Remember, your privacy and security should always be a top priority. If you have any concerns or questions regarding data collection and usage, we encourage you to reach out to the Threads support team or consult their official documentation for further clarification. Stay informed and make informed decisions about your digital footprint. Protecting your data is crucial in today's digital age. It's truly fascinating to observe the similarities between Threads and Twitter. The new platform allows users to create public thread-like posts that bear a striking resemblance to tweets. This similarity has led experts to dub Threads as a potential Twitter killer, suggesting that it could pose a significant challenge to the well-established tech giant. What makes the timing even more intriguing is the recent changes made by Elon Musk to Twitter. Just days ago, Musk implemented a temporary cap on the number of daily tweets users can read, with verified users granted access to up to 6,000 tweets per day, and unverified users limited to 600 or 300 tweets per day, depending on their account status. These changes have stirred up a storm of discussions and debates among Twitter users. Undoubtedly, the competition between Mark Zuckerberg, the mastermind behind Threads, and Elon Musk, the driving force behind Twitter's transformation, is intensifying. Both visionary leaders are determined to shape the future of social media and redefine how people connect and communicate online. As we eagerly anticipate the launch of Threads and witness the ongoing developments in the social media landscape, it's clear that innovation and competition are driving forces in this ever-evolving digital world. Who will come out on top? Only time will tell. Musk himself took a playful jab at Threads just yesterday, responding to a Twitter user's comment. The user mentioned that Threads aims to establish a sanely run social media site, but expressed concerns about data collection, favoring Musk's vision for Twitter instead. Musk humorously replied, "Thank goodness they're so sanely run. Is Threads really the Twitter killer we've all been waiting for, or is it just another app hoping to ride the wave of social media chaos?" Can't wait to see if Mark Zuckerberg and Elon Musk will settle their social media rivalry in a cage match. That wraps up our breakdown of Threads and its upcoming launch. Make sure to stay tuned for more updates on this exciting development. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for all the latest news and insights. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Will Threads truly be a game changer in the social media realm? Watch our other video on a mecha and most realistic female humanoid robot of future, and we'll catch you in the next video.